Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Otepo and Balisa. They both went to Umekji, but I think they had separate routine. Babahlukanisile islot sabo. So mabafika laphayana, we both know these people are toxic, both of them. Simabonile from Married at First Sight. We see these people are toxic towards each other. Omunye ubona omunye amubi, omunye ubona omunye asidudla. You see, they're discriminating each other. So Upalisa reached out to Uso Penduga and asked for interview because she knows ukuthi podcast Gamekji is so big. So she was like, "Can I please come and be interviewed so that I can vent my side of the story?" And okay, Luenza saw because Utepo went to the what's this Engineer Your Life podcast Wahamba Kulubisa. Nakona they invited Utepo. Utepo didn't go to the podcast. But ke Balisa wanted ukukhuluma side of the story sakhe wahamba uMekji. When she arrived there, the first things first, she didn't enjoy the whole episode. Yeah, got married at first sight. Utepo was not a good man for her. Utepo this, Utepo that. Obviously, she ended up disclosing ukuthi Russian kaTepo ungakanani, so on and so forth. And then Tepo also did the same thing. He was like, the clove was not nice, it was trash. Obvious, they were not attracted to each other. So obvious that clove would not be nice. And also he mentioned that the girl Osileku, the reunion was never ukelwa was like girlfriend. It was mara khalel kuya kugel uyaya thing. It's not like ibeka that. And I was like, uThepho guys ucabanga ngani? Ucabanga ngani? Angazi or ucabanga ahleli phansi, ucabanga ngey'mpunu zakhe. Because I don't understand this guy. Every time la athi ukhuluma iqiniso khona, angazi umlomo wakhe uyambetray. I don't think they will ever forgive each other. Not anytime soon, not ever. Cause I don't know. I don't know. Indaba yabo ayifani neyakaNelisa noThemba. Ayifani like at all. But they were matched bangafunani. Just like Umakoto and Kulego. Like they were matched like guys, let's be honest. Baba bemechile bangathandani bazondana kakhulu bacalana phakathi kwaleyo relationship bahethana and ukhabona uhethwa umuntu ongamfuni and now you have to hate that person. And no make guys, you know make when it comes to someone talking about love. It was like, yeah. Oh guys, make G. Shout out to Make G, and guys, go watch the full podcast, Make G's podcast.